Scummy, this wasn't an accident. This jar didn't just fall over. This is a conspiracy, a condiment cover-up.
Moldy, not everything in this fridge is a conspiracy. Sometimes a jar is just a jar. It could have been a slippery lettuce leaf.
Oh yeah? Explain this. That's not a random smear. That's a message. It says best if used by yesterday.
That's impossible. We've been checking expiration dates religiously since the pickle incident.
Exactly. Someone wants to think this jar is expired, but I know there's something bigger at play, something beyond freshness.
You think it's them again, don't you? The mold folk.
The real Scummy. They look in the crisper drawer, turning innocent produce into their spore-infested minions. I saw it with my own eyes.
Moldy, you also claimed the toaster was an interdimensional portal. It's a toaster.
You just don't want to believe.
You two should stay out of this. You ain't over your noodles. Want some noodles?
Who sent you? The mold folk? Or was it the freezer-born syndicate?
You're barking up the wrong noodle box, buddy. This goes all the way to the top shelf.
The top shelf? Well, that's dairy territory. No one goes up there.
Looks like we're making a visit to the land of lactose.
Fine, but if this turns out to be another one of your yogurt cult theories, I'm requesting a transfer to the pantry.
The truth is out there and it's probably hiding behind the milk carton.